Welcome to the new episode of PCS Practical. In this session, I am going to discuss about the mailing tab or the mailing menu. So, basically, in this session, we are going to learn how to create mail merge. So, the mailing tab or the mailing menu, in which you'll get the options regarding the mail merge functionality provided by the Microsoft Word. So let's discuss first of all what is mail merge. So mail merge is the option where you can create your document, or you can say the mail or the letter or any invitation or the message which you want to send to the multiple recipients, right? So you can create uh, that letter, that document once, and you can send to the multiple recipients, right? So you have to just prepare the one letter, and the same letter will send it to multiple recipients. So for that, you will require uh, the mailing and the other informations of that recipients. So let's see how to create it. So there are multiple ways to create the mail merge. So I'll show you. You first of all, in this tab you will have the 5 section: create, start, mail merge, write insert field, preview result, and the finish, right? So I'll show you. First, you can create the envelopes and the label as well, right? So if you want to create the envelope, you can design your own envelope, and you can print out, you can take print out. So for that, you have to add the envelopes, the ready envelopes, uh, the plain envelope, right? Let's say the white paper envelopes in printer, and you can make it print out, right? So print on it. Same way you can create the labels for that. So the first way that I'm going to discuss with you, that is the step-by-step mail merge. So if you don't want to go with step-by-step mail merge, so the one by one option you can select it. Let's say you have to first select the start mail, you have to create the letter, and then you have to select the recipients, and you can edit your list. Then you can add the merge fields, you can use address block, greeting line, insert fields, right? So all those options you can get in the step-by-step mail merge wizard, right? So I'll select it. So select this option. So you'll get the mail merge wizard. So there are 6 steps. You can see that the first step is to select the document, which type of document you want to prepare. Let's say you want to create the letter. Yes, so I'll select the same option, and I'll click on the next option. So the next option is selecting the starting document. uh, the document, how do you want to set your document? It is like the question can be asked to you, and you have to give the answer, right? So how you want to set your letter? So 3 options are there: use current document, start from the template, or the existing document. If you have already created your letter, so you can use existing document. If you want to use template, so you can select this. Let's say I want to create my own letter, so I'll select current document, since I have not created any letter, any content, and I'll select next step. You can also go to the previous step as well. So we have previous and next, both the options. The start step is to select the recipients. For that also you have 3 options: use existing list, select from Outlook account, and create a new list. I don't have any ready list, so I'll select type a new list. After selecting that, you can create it. So select on create option. So you'll get new addressed list dialog box. So here you have to write uh, the specific informations for your recipients. I don't want to add the title, so I'll add the first name. Let's say Denny Shah. I don't want the company name. The address line, let's say 12 Jai apartment. I don't want to add the second address. The city, let's say Surat. State, Gujarat. Right? The new entry again, Akshay Patel, 3 Hari Flats, Ahmedabad, again Gujarat. New, let's say Sahil Bhatt, 901. Apartment, Thane, Shtra, let's say Lekha, Pune. In the Pune city, I don't know. So ABC I have typed. Okay, so I have to save my list, so I'll give a new list. Yes, I want to add all the records. Okay, so my list is created. So now I'm going to next step is to write your letter. So for that you have to write your letter, so I'll just add my content. Let's say I want to create the I want to send the invitation letter for the 19th birthday of of my grandfather. So I have just simply write like XYZ family, and I'm also like XYZ person, right? I'll change the date, 10/10/2020, right? Okay, so after preparing the letter, see, you have to add like address block. So I'll click on the address block. So which type address block you will require, like Mr. See the sample data and the related your recipient data is also you can get here, in whichever way. So this is okay for me. So I'll just click. See, you can get all the preview, right? Address block is okay. Then after you'll require the greeting line, so I'll add greeting line. Let's say dear sir or ma'am or dear or to. So dear is okay for me. Mr. and miss, right? So you can write like that. And then after you will require comma or the colon, so you can add. You can get the preview. See the greeting line. And okay, address block and the greeting line is okay. So I'll click on the next. So as soon as like the next step is to preview your letters. As soon as you will get the you will click on the next option, you will get the preview. So it's a preview results. This is the second recipient, this is the first recipient. So your content will be the same, only the recipient's details are different. You can see all four, right? And you can, then after you can complete the merge. So it's very easy and simple. See, since the mailing option is enabled, so you can navigate through this option from the preview results section of the mailing tab, right? But let's say if you want to take a print, so this is the finish and merge option. So what I'm going to do, the last option is like edit individual letter. So click edit individual letter, select all and click OK. So you can get all the letter ready. Instead of one document, now you have the 4 document with different recipients and the same content. So now you can just take a print of your all 4 invitations, right? And you can mail them. So that's it. This is so easy. So this is called the mail merge technique, right? Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.